red color. A for apple. Red color. B for ball. Black color. C for cat. Green color. D for dog. E for elephant. F for face. Repeat once again. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for face. Thanks for watching.